We are at the Advanced Mitsubishi Electric HVAC Products Division. My name is Joseph Brutus, and I'm the General Manager for Handyman of America. We're at the Mitsubishi Training Center for their VRF system, and we're going to be showing you a little bit of how our personnel is being trained here. Here we have a VRF system. One is an outdoor condenser controller, and the other one is attached to it is a subcontroller, and these are hooked up to the different types of products that Mitsubishi has. As you can see, they have a wide array of products all across the room. Here's another outdoor condenser. All of these are live. These are actually hooked up so that personnel can train on this, change the addressing so that when they get to the actual live environment, they won't have any problems at all. If you look over here, as we get further down, there are ventilators here. This one is a ventilator that captures the heat or the cooling so that it can be recirculated back into the environment. And with this type of setup, a building or an office or whatever it may be, a church, saves a lot of money when it comes to recirculating heat rather than or cooling rather than having it discharged outside. Here we have an outdoor unit that utilizes water. Here we're showing you a floor mounted unit that has a BTU capacity of 9,000 to 18,000, and there are also many other outdoor controllers depending on the size that you require. This one supplies superheat. It can supply heat well below 0 degrees, and above it you can see the indoor units. Here's a cassette ceiling mount, and we're showing you more outdoor units. This is a Mr. Slim that utilizes 410, off 410. And here we're showing you a sub-branch controller. And we're going to show you the heart of this branch controller. This controller actually distributes heating as well as cooling and recirculates it rather than wasting it outside to the outdoors. So this will save you a lot of money because of its energy efficiency. And together with Mitsubishi, we can build a better business.